guys, it's me again. I'm gonna be showing you my fidgets. So let's get started and make sure you subscribe and like. And I'm gonna be starting a 5-second challenge to subscribe and click like and turn up notifications in just 5 seconds. You ready? 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up. Make sure you did. Comment down below. So let's start with this puppet that is rainbow puppet. And then we got this puppet, really cute. And then we got this jumbo. It's not a puppet, but. And then we got this one. I got another puppet that is just like a unicorn one, no, dragon one. It's really, really big. And then here's this. And this that's broken. And this. This. And this. And this. And that. And this. Like this. And this. And this. This friend necklaces, and this puppet that's really I love, and then this pink puppet, and then this puzzle puppet that I got. It's a puzzle puppet. Let's try to actually figure this out. Let's see. Okay, like that, and then maybe like that, and then the last piece. Like what? Wait, what? Oh, tricky. That. I figured it out easily. It's a circle, and you just go. Wee! It's pretty difficult at first when you first get it. Got this puppet and this puppet. And then that's really it, because I only had a basket of these. Like I said, I had another puppet, but it's in my room and I don't feel like getting up right now. My dad doesn't feel good. We have flies everywhere and all that. Holy Jake. Monkey. And yeah. I will be doing a makeup video soon. It's coming up, but you just have to have time for it. I just do these videos whenever I really want, when I feel like it. So that's it for today's video. It's only been like 4 minutes. Solid one right now, so now you're gonna clean up with me. So just gonna put that in. Oh, and then we're gonna put this one in. We're just gonna put that there, and then that there. I'm gonna place it wherever I want. Why am I trying to organize it? Okay, and this is gonna be nice. Best friends. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Wait, the camera's there. Okay. Bye, guys. Peace.